Hey everyone, welcome back. If your boxwood is looking messy, overgrown, or kind of dead inside, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to prune it step by step, and this works even if you're a beginner. First things you have to do is disinfect your pruners and make sure they're sharp. I use rubbing alcohol. I use a small sprayer bottle that you get from the dollar store. Boxwoods actually need regular pruning to stay healthy. If you don't prune them the right way, they can get leggy, the inside turns brown, and they lose that nice full shape. But the good news is, with just a few simple cuts, you can completely fix that. The best time to prune boxwoods is in the early spring or late spring after the last frost. Avoid heavy pruning in late fall because new growth can get damaged in winter. Before cutting anything, take a close look at your plant. Are there dead or brown branches? Is it uneven or overgrown? This helps you decide how much to prune. Always begin by removing dead, dry, or damaged branches. Cut them back to healthy green growth. This improves airflow and keeps your plant healthy. Now it's time to shape. Trim lightly around the outside. Keep the base slightly wider than the top. This allows sunlight to reach all parts of the plant and prevents thinning at the bottom. Avoid cutting more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Boxwoods recover slowly, so light, regular pruning is better than one heavy cut. If your boxwood looks sparse inside, try thinning cut a few inner branches to let light in. This helps it grow fuller over time. And that's it. With just a little pruning, your boxwood can look neat, healthy, and professional. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple gardening tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.